In this video, we are going to discuss when expressions have exponents. So in the past, we have discussed regular expressions, and now we're going to add in exponents. So let's get started. All right, so every exponents are a way of repeating. Sorry about that. Exponents are a way of repeating multiplication. So rather than multiplying the same thing over again, we can save some space on our paper and write it as an exponent. The base is the number that we're multiplying, and the exponent is how many times. So 4 to the third power would be 4 times 4 times 4. All right, let's look at some more. I have here 2 to the third power. So my base is 2, so that is the number I'm multiplying. And the 3 tells me to multiply it 3 times. So 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times another 2 is going to be 8. So 2 to the third power would be 8. 4 to the second power, this tells me I am multiplying 4 2 times. 4 times 4 is simply 16. Also, remember, another word to the second power also means squared. Because say the side length of a square was 4, you would do 4 times 4 to find the area. So that is why it is called squared. All right, 3 to the fourth power. This big number, or the base, tells me I'm multiplying 3. The 4 says I am multiplying it 4 times. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. I like to kind of combine things together. So this 3 times 3 is 9. This 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 would give me 81. So 3 to the fourth power is going to be 81. All right, let's move on. So now let's get into when we have expressions with exponents in them. What is the value of 4 to the third time plus 6? So first thing I'm going to do is we still were working with our order of operations. We're just now adding in the exponent step. I do not see any parentheses, but I do see an exponent. 4 to the third power would be 4 times 4 times 4, which would be 64, because 4 times 4 is 16, times another 4 would be 64. So now I have 64 plus 6 gives me a value of 70. All right, let's keep going. All right, here's a little bit longer of an expression. So I'm still going to write my order here. Here I do have parentheses, so I'm going to check that off, and I'm going to underline what's in the parentheses. 2 times 5 is going to give us 10. Alrighty, next I do have exponents. 3 to the fourth power would be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is not 12. That is adding 3 4 times. We are multiplying. The first 3 times 3 is 9. The second 3 times 3 is also 9. 9 times 9 gives us 81. So now we have 8 plus 10 times 81 divided by 9. I do not see any more exponents. Now we're going to multiply and divide. 10 times 81 would be 810. So now I have 8 plus 810 divided by 9. 810 divided by 9 would be 90, because 81 divided by 9 would be 9, and then add in the 0 for the 810. 8 plus 90 would be 98. So the value of that expression is 98. All right, let's move forward. 7 plus 3 times 2 to the fourth divided by 6. Still going to write my order over here. 2 to the 4th would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is not 8. That would be adding 2. This 2 times 2 is 4. This 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 makes 16. So this is the same as 16. So I didn't have any parentheses. We just did our exponent. Now we're on multiply divide. I see the 3 times 16 first, which is 48. Now I have 7 plus 48 divided by 6. I want you guys to notice that I'm going line by line here and going very slowly so I know I don't make a mistake or miss a step. 48 divided by 6 should be 8. 7 plus 8 would be 15. And remember, we did the 48 divided by 6 first because that division still comes before addition and subtraction. All right, let's move on. And this is going to be our last example. Ooh, we have something a little different here. We have parentheses and then a squared on the outside. Let's see what that looks like. Still going to write my order. Always, always write your order. 5 plus 3 is going to be 8. So I have 8 squared. So I have 9 times 8 squared minus 144. 8 squared is going to be the same as 8 times 8, which is 64. 9 times 64 minus 144. All right, I don't know 9 times 64 off the top of my head, so I'm going to go over and do it up here. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 6 is 54. Plus 3 is 57. So now we have 576 minus 144. Again, I don't know that off the top of my head, so we're going to come back up here and do it. 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 4 is 3, 5 minus 1 is 4. So our final value is 432. Alrighty, that is going to stop us for now, and we will talk about these together. So if you're a little lost, no worries, and we will talk soon. Bye, guys.